So guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, we're going to be looking at the Einhell Cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, in the previous video, I did mention I was getting a bigger battery, which I did do. This is the battery. I've charged it up ready to do this task. And what we're going to be doing today is removing this TV. It's a Sky Glass TV. And I put this up originally. This is my house. It came and I was rushing to put it up. It was tea time. So I've put it a little bit too high. It was bigger than what I thought. So I need to lower it, and also it'll cover these screws up here because we originally had a sound bar across there. We don't need it with this TV because it's got Atmos anyway. That's beside the point. That's not what we're doing today for the Einhell vac. We're going to be using this today, not to put the TV up, of course. We are using the Xtrahand. And what I want to do is see how well that vacuum cleaner performs at dust extraction with the Xtrahand. Now, just grab the Xtrahand here. I did buy a cheap version of this, and there is a video on my channel which we'll put a link in above with this cheap version of this Xtrahand. This is rubbish. I don't really use this anymore. This is my choice of dust extraction now. But I want to see how well it does the dust extraction in my house first before I do it in a customer's house with this Einhell vacuum cleaner. It's not as powerful as the Henry's and the Charles ones that I use. We have a Charles in our house. We also have a James. We don't have a Henrietta and we don't have a Henry. But this gripped the wall very strongly, which I demonstrated in the previous video. The video that we'll put a link up in the top there for that of the Xtrahand. Quite happy with this product. It was a lot more expensive than that, probably 3-4 times as much as this. There are a lot of cheap versions on the market, and let me tell you, they are not very good. It's worth paying that bit extra, peace of mind and quality as well. But this is really good. But that being said, we're going to be using the Einhell today for the TV installation. So I think it was that way around for this vacuum cleaner, and put that like that so that it fits on the rack. It's got a nice tight seal, and that should hold it to the wall. Just switch it on to demonstrate. Hold it to the wall quite nicely. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the TV. You won't need to see that part of the video, and then I'll show you the bracket behind. There we go, as if by magic I have got the TV off the wall. This is the bracket. These brackets are supplied by Sky with the TV. They come with an actual stand for the TV if you want to just have it on a stand, and this bracket. So it all comes through, and I'm not advertising for Sky, by the way. We are supposed to be demonstrating the Einhell. So we're going to remove that today. Take it off the wall. But if you are getting the Sky Glass, it is an extremely heavy TV. It's worth having 2 people. So guys, I've zoomed in quite a bit so you probably can't see me now, not that you want to see me. Got the Einhell vac, I've marked my holes there, levelled up. I'm going to switch it on now and drill the holes. So didn't do too badly with that. I went straight into a seam there, so I've come a little bit higher up to get the brick. It has actually caught the dust on this vacuum cleaner, so it's not done too bad a job. It's like I said, it's not as powerful as the other. So I'm going to level this back up now and get the other one sorted out, because I need to get them level now. Found if you give it a little bit of a shake, it does let the dust fall in, because it seems to catch here on the rim of there, so you just give it a little bit of shake before you remove it. It just get the dust into the vacuum. So we just need to line this up again. The holes are in the right place. And we are more or less level. We do a final level once it's all set. And again. So you probably noticed I give it a bit of a tap and then I put it over the top of the hole. This removes any of the brick dust in the hole as well. So when you're putting your plugs in, you've got most of your brick dust removed. So a top tip if you're using a laser, right, once you've got it on, you obviously need to make sure your bracket's level, and you can adjust the bracket very slightly, because obviously sometimes your drill moves around on the hole that you're trying to drill, so it might be slightly off. But once you've got your laser on, is to look into the centre of the screws and see if they line up, to make sure your screws are in line. And then obviously any references on the bracket, like these holes here, these 3 holes here, the laser is lining up properly under each rim of the hole there, so that fits perfectly. So now all that's left to do is put the TV back on the wall. So there we go. Managed to successfully fit the TV by myself. These Sky Glass TVs are quite heavy, by the way. They're a lot heavier than the modern day Samsung TVs, etc., etc., the flat screens. And I might add, these are like the ones that first came out, the flat screens are really thick and like I say, really heavy, but they have put a lot of stuff in them this time around. But this video isn't about Sky Glass TVs, by the way. It's about the Einhell 18-volt vacuum cleaner. Just used it for the dust extraction tool. This is not as powerful as, like I said, the Henrys and the workshop vacs that you see. This is really a portable solution to help you clean up without the need of any plugins or wires or anything. However, it did the job. It did the job, which is what I've been looking for. Something compact, simple to use, and something that would work quite well with this Xtrahand. As you can see, I found a little hole for it there, just in the underneath the handle. I did discover that you could leave some of the accessories on this, so I leave the brush one there, face it that way, and I did discover that the nozzle there fits just nicely there, so you could leave the other attachment that's with it on there, but I've left the guarantee in there. That one fits nicely under the handle, so it's all compact, it's together. So there we go, that is a dust extraction video for the Einhell and the Xtrahand. So we're featuring 2-in-1 here at no extra cost. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We do appreciate everyone who is subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, pushing the notification bell. It's a massive difference to this channel, just purely because there is a little bit of revenue involved through the advertising and that of when you see the adverts, and we use that to buy tools and things to review. Don't get sponsored by major companies, or do we get anything free? Not in this day and age. Don't have enough subscribers and there's no sponsorship there, so it does appreciate anybody who is subscribing to the channel or watching this video, because every little helps, especially in the cost of living crisis. But yeah, we do buy tools and stuff like this, and then I do use them on the jobs I'm using. Today we're in my own house. I've just got to finish this TV off now, and then we could probably sit down and watch it tonight. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as I've said, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.